I got a box, and you know what that means. It means unboxing, and this is a big one. This one I bought a whole bunch of stuff from Lori Moreno at Wilderness Glass on Etsy. I'll drop a link if you're interested. So you know I spend a lot of money when it's a big box. Usually Lori's things come in little boxes, but this is a big box. But I have used a lot of her stuff lately in projects that I'm sure you've seen here, and I have ideas for many more. She was restocking a whole bunch of different leaves and really cool looking flowers, and I just had to jump on it. So not all of these are necessarily available because I think a lot of this you know, kind of sells out, but Lori turns her inventory fairly quickly. So if you're interested in something, follow her on Etsy, follow the shop, and you know, watch and check back regularly. And she also posts on Facebook when she has things for sale. And let's just get started here. So, first package. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, lots of good stuff. Now, these things have names and colors, and I never remember any of it. So, here's some pretty leaves. No, this is, in fact, she had some things on clearance, and so I think this is one of the clearance that she had, which were leaves. They were white leaves with red veins, which I thought were pretty cool. I have, oh, you know what? There is a packing list, so that might help me as I look at stuff. There were some autumn leaves here that are transparent colors, so hopefully you can see those. I don't want to get all these packages out, and you don't want to watch me do all that, so hopefully you can see this stuff through the package, but really pretty autumn colors there. This one is, oh, this was one of the clearance packages, I think. This is just some rainbows, just fun little rainbow looking pieces, and I just wanted to have them. Next, oh, a second package of the autumn, transparent autumn. This is, you know what, I should really probably just get the packing slip out because she's probably got her face in her hands right now thinking, Schuler, what are you doing to me? Okay, so these are, I think, the lip gloss leaves. So I don't know if any of these are available anymore or not, but these were kind of a cool look. And then some pink and white leaves here. So these are really nice, white with the pink veins, very much similar to the white with the red veins. I can't think of my colors. Trying to do two things at once. Next package, let's see what we get. Hope everybody's doing well. It's starting to turn to spring here. We had some storms, but all is okay. All right, more pink and white leaves. More of the lip gloss leaves. That's kind of a fun idea, or a fun color. These are transparent. Looks like I've got a couple of packages of these were called Aruba, if I remember correctly, Aruba leaves. So really pretty colors there, pretty blues. And maybe these were the Arubas. Oh boy, no, these were seafoam leaves. I got a couple of packages of those. Those are pretty. Again, more transparent. So I needed more transparent. I have a lot of opaque, but I wanted to restock with more transparent because I like to use those on the decals that I make. And so I thought some transparent ones would be good. All right, look at these fun flowers. Just some really cool orange centers there. I don't have, I feel like, a lot in this color palette, nor do I have many purples, and so she has a new line of purple flowers that she launched, and so picked up a couple of packages of those. Got some green. These are called jungle leaves, and I thought that they were cool. And then there's also these bright green, I don't know what color that is, if that's spring green. Lori is a COE 90 person, uses bullseye glass, so that might be a spring green center, but thought those were fun, bright flowers. All right, and last but not least, one more package. I told you I spent some money, people. Spent some serious money. All right, so these are, oh yeah, check out these bright blue flowers with the yellow centers. Again, that's kind of a color that I don't really have in my family of flowers that I have. Some more of these cool jungle leaves. some bright sunny yellow centers in these white flowers here, and some more of those orange. And then these are super fun. Lori made what she called enchanted leaves. And so the color, I'm guessing there's some neo-lavender in there, Lori, and kind of looks like it shifts depending on the light that you're going to be in. So I think these will be fun to play with. Transparents, and might get some really neat effects off of those. I think those sold out pretty quickly, but I think she was working on some more. So if you enjoyed these products, go to the video notes. I'll include the link to Lori's page on Etsy, and again, like her shop and shop her often, because she's a great person with great product, and love all of her work. Take care, everybody. Catch you later. Bye.